Well, hi guys, it's George from CYPRUS Insight. Today we're in Troodos Mountains in Kakopetria, which means bad stone, and I'll show you why any minute. We're going to go for a little walk. We're staying in a boutique hotel, Thymysis, Thymyses. Beautiful, look out for the video guys. So we're going to go out for a little walk. There we are, there's the name of the hotel. Absolutely wonderful hotel. And then we're going to go down towards the village square, aren't we? So here we are. Kakopetria. Very, very bad stone. I said to the viewers we're going to show them in a minute why it's a naughty stone. Now talk about hotels. Look at this abandoned hotel. Oh, right, let me show you the abandoned hotel. I wonder if I can get in. Now the shops downstairs are all occupied, but look at the top. Look at this abandoned hotel. It's actually for sale. There is a for sale sign on the right hand side. There's the restaurant or the hall, the grand hall, that's there. Then all the rooms at the top. The door's open over there. It's even got a phone number, look. The Rialto Hotel. Phone number 229222438.
This is the only village in Cyprus where the rivers run all year. You can hear it.
Oh, you can hear the river running underneath us, a babbling brook. There we are. That is pretty amazing. Right, let's follow the river, shall we? Right to the top. Are you going to phone that number? 229222438. There might be a ghost that answers it. Ooh. Oh, did you hear that? Someone called out.
Yes,
someone called out. Oh, it was someone in the shop. It's okay guys, someone in the shop. Look, there's the steps going up to the hotel over here. Can have a look. 1 minute, doors open. Doors open here. I don't think you can get in. We'll have a look later. 1 minute, it's an abandoned car as well. Come round here, look. There's an abandoned car. There it is. Look at the curtains. Oh, that's super spooky, guys. Definitely can't get in that way, can you? There's the steps to get up. Let's go into the garden when we come back, shall we? There's a lovely old church. I'm going to go 16th century. Let's have a look. Right, here we are. So this would have been the first church built here, guys, when the village first was established. 16th century. I'm going to go maybe 17th century. Let's see if we can find the date. There should be a locking mechanism. There it is. Put your finger in there and that should open the door. It is there, guys. It does open the door, but it's locked from inside. You have to go around the side, and I've got a feeling it's actually locked over here. Yeah, it is. There's the original big lock, original furniture, and I think this is actually the original door as well. Yeah, locking mechanism's gone. Oh no, it's not. There it is. You can feel it, and you can feel the door opening as you open the mechanism. but the actual main lock is locked up now, so we can't get in there. Oh, look at the original icon, and there's one at the top. Wow, that is pretty amazing. Beautiful history. Now, the bell tower is quite new, except the other woodwork is not, and you can see it's definitely 16th, 17th century. That's how they built them up here, guys, in the mountains, with these amazing wooden roofs and beams. Look, can you see it? And look how close those beams are together. And then we've got carvings. There we are, they're all carved out right at the edge. Mortise and tenon joints, can you just make them out there? Really, really tight. And then we've got local stone, and then mud render. You see the straw? There's the straw, and behind there could possibly be mud bricks. So there you are. Right, let's move on to the town square. Step up. Now, a cemetery would be out of town somewhere, but some of these old churches, the cemetery is around the church. Right, let's carry on up. So there's the new church up there. That's under restoration at the moment. Look out for previous videos. I did go up there last time we were in this village. Quite a modern church. There we are. Right at the top of the hill. There's a babbling brook under here, under the road. So we are going the right way. Right, let's cross the road. There we go. Let's see what else we can find. Right, let's go down. Oh, can you hear the river? Wow, so that's a lot of water. We are in the middle of the summer. And look how much water's coming down this river.
But it's a lot different from when we were here in March.
Yes, March it was real full, guys. Mill Hotel. Around here, and I'll show you. Look out for videos. The Mill Hotel, right up there, and that's right next to the river. And we are actually right in the middle of the beautiful town. Lots of coffee shops and restaurants and ducks. Look out for the ducks. Look at the way the trees have grown over the river. Beautiful. Come round this way. We'll cross the road once again, show you the river. It's actually two rivers joining into one. There's the village pub, amazing little pub. Look out for videos, guys. We have actually eaten there. Gonna walk up. We've even eaten at the River Park restaurant in Taverna, right next to the river. Oh, here we are. More restaurants. Look out for videos, guys. We've actually eaten in every single one of these restaurants, including this one here. That's got the water mill. It turns the meat on the barbecue. There it is. And there's the water mill. Right, we'll go round. There's another beautiful restaurant. Amazing town square. One of the most beautiful town squares in Troodos Mountains. Let's go up the hill and meet one of the viewers. All the way from Australia. Wow. Now that's a long way. That's a long way to come for Troodos Mountains, but it is beautiful. Cheers! All the way
mate.
from Aussie land.
All right, mate.
Cheers.
It's been a long time.
It is.
I finally get to meet you.
Oh, it's been a pleasure so far. And
Mate, you're a champion, mate. And
I've-
like I said, you look younger in person.
So do you.
Cheers, mate.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're what, 20, aren't you?
Yeah, 22.
Yeah, that's right. And I've got not a slow beer. I've got traditional lemonade, CYPRUS lemonade, and you've got an enormous.
Just a Carlsberg, Park Point.
Yeah, slow beer though.
Yeah, slow beer.
Absolutely, all the way from Australia you are. Aren't
Down
you?
under.
Oh, we bought some lottery tickets
I'm
from the
going to
lady.
win 80,000 euros.
That one's €3 to buy, and this one's €2.
Yeah.
Make sure you read the instructions.
Game 1. Reveal.
Have you got one?
Yeah, mate.
What you got?
We've got the 3 and the 2 like you.
Oh, brilliant! There you go.
And hopefully we can party with George a bit more.
Wow! Imagine that, 80,000.
Oh.
How many slow beers can we have?
We'll have a good weekend, George.
Oh, we will have a good weekend if you
Yamas.
win that. Start scratching, guys. Oh, guys, lots of viewers all the way from Australia. Wow. Is that the river cascading down? Wow. Let's try the water, shall we? Oh, wow! Oh, look at the pressure! Oh no, that's not real. Mmm. Oh, that's delish. I'm covered in it. Where is? Wow, look at that waterfall. Where's it coming from? Look at this. How beautiful. That's not coming out of a tap, guys. No, that's coming up from the top of the mountains all the way down. There are ducks. Look out for videos, guys. We have seen the ducks. They're around here somewhere. There's some down there, or there was. And there's some on this side, just beyond the park. There's an amazing riverside walk as well. There we are, look at that. How wonderful. You seen the duck? Ah, there he is. On his little island. Oh, we do like an island, don't we? Quack, quack. There's a big stone, the naughty stone. It was tradition to go there after you've been wed. And one day a happy couple went up there to be blessed by the enormous stone, and it fell on top of them. Oh, very unfortunate. Come round here, look, the Clarion Club. Anyone remember the Clarion Club, guys? Come round here, look. Wow. And there's another bar there on the left hand side. Smokies. There we are. Abandoned pub. It's up for sale. Look at this abandoned pub, guys. Let's have a look inside. Where's the Clarion Club? There it is over there. We'll have a look at the club first. And maybe tomorrow morning, if we do get time, we'll go down there. We'll go down the Clarion Club and have a look. And we'll have a look in the pub as well. Could we get in the pub? Oh, look at the top of the pub. It's gone. Whole building's up for sale. There's arcade games in there, I think. They're gone. There was arcade games there last time I looked. There they are. There's one of them anyway. Remember this one, guys? There we are. Look at that. Quite expensive. 50 cents it says. That's quite a lot back in them days. Whatever days they were. Probably 1980s. This abandoned building here. Original shutters. think that one's definitely haunted. There's definitely someone in there, guys. Right, let's go there. Jasmine, where is it? Somewhere around. Oh, listen to that. Beautiful. Imagine living up here, guys. I think it'd be wonderful. That lovely running water all year round. Beautifully green all year round. Amazing scenery. Bit of snow in the winter. You can either go a little bit further up, do a bit of skiing, and then in the summer you've still got this lovely greenery and lots and lots of amazing walks, lots of things to discover. Not too far away from the beach if you did want to go to the coast. Maybe 40 minutes away, 45 minutes away from Limassol. And there it is again, abandoned hotel. I'm hoping to get in there in the morning. Not sure if I'll be able to get in, and I'm not sure if it's haunted or not. It looks a little scary. Definitely going to get in their garden anyway. See if I can get in the garden later. Or tomorrow morning. Definitely going to do a video. Some of the windows are open. The curtains all damaged. There we are. Back at this beautiful boutique hotel. And we are going to have dinner, aren't we? Oh, posh dinner. Look out for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.